Hello friends, today we will draw the structure of this compound in cyclohexane. Okay, so you should be know about that cyclohexane. What is the basic framework of cyclohexane? So if you see here, this is chair form. Okay, this is cyclohexane. Okay, so in this, the basic chemistry of this molecule, if the compound containing two groups, suppose that CH3, okay, and C2H5, okay. So what happened if anyone says to you that you will draw this molecule, that CH3 and equatorial and C2H5 and axial. So you should be know about the axial and equatorial bond. So if you see here, this is cyclohexane, okay, this is axial and this is equatorial, means bond in 90 angle goes to axial and this one is equatorial. Okay, so like that you can draw easily way, this way, this way, this way. Okay, so this is, if you see here, this is axial, this is equatorial, this is equatorial, this is axial. Okay, so this is the basic chemistry of this molecule. Okay, so if you see in this structure, if anybody is said to you that you will draw this structure in chair form, so first of all you should also know about that cis, means in cis form the two groups which will be in position. So first of all you should be know cis, that cis exists in A and E form, either AE or EA, and which position, if any groups present in 1 2 or 1 4, but in case of 1 3 it is reverse. Okay, transform, what happen, transform means either AA or EE, means same, and it is applicable in only this one. Okay, and if you see in 1 3 it will be reverse. Okay, so it is the basic, you should be know about that. Okay, that's why you can draw this structure. So if you see here, this is cyclohexane. Okay, if you draw this, if you see this group, so this is trans in the sense the groups if present in the same, this is called cis. If you see this 1 and 2, okay, so if you see this 1 and 2 is trans. Okay, so why trans? If you see here, this group is like that. Okay, so if you draw this, you should be know about that it is trans. So for which position they will be exist. So one will be the A, okay, and one should be the other, should be the also in A position. So it is axial, so both groups is called trans. Okay, again what happened here, 1 and 4th, if they are similar, then this is cis. So 1 and 4 it should be cis means you should be follow this. So this is tertiary butyl, but 1 and 3 is trans. 1 and 3 is which trans, but in 1 3 case it is reverse. So it is A and this is E. Okay, so it is all about this problem. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, that's why we can download again videos. Thank you.